Welcome to the exciting world of Albakio International, and today we are going to compare the numbers and we are going to learn about smaller and bigger numbers. Before going ahead, look at the given picture. This is a big ball because it is occupying more space, and this is a small ball because it is occupying lesser space. Great. Big, small. Now look at this number line. On this number line, the number 1 is the smallest number and the number 20 is the what? Biggest number. Great. This number line is telling us that 2 is bigger than 1, 3 is bigger than 2, 4 is bigger than 3, 5 is bigger than 4. Similarly, this number line is telling us that number 1 is smaller than 2, 2 is smaller than 3, and 3 is smaller than 4. How? Look at the pictures. This is number 2, and you can count 2 balls. This is number 3, and here you can count 3 balls. Now, which group has more balls? Obviously, this one. Number 3 represents more balls. That's why it is bigger than number 2. And number 2 is smaller than number 3 because it is representing less number of balls. Time to encircle the smaller number in each box. 2 or 9? It's 2. 19 or 13? It's 13. 24 or 14? It's 14. Great. Now look at the given 3 numbers. We have 1, 9 and 2. You can see 1 tree. Now you can see 9 trees, and here you can see 2 trees. Number 9 is showing us the most or the maximum number of trees. And number 1 is showing us the least number of the trees. So which is the smallest number? 1. And which is the biggest number? 9. It's time to encircle the smallest number in each box. Are you ready? We have 3 numbers, 26, 25 and 27. Now the smallest number is 25. Now we have 10, 20 and 30. Which one is the smallest one? 10. Great. Now look at these numbers. 15, 14 and 16. Which is this biggest number? Obviously 16 is the biggest number. Now challenge yourself, open your books and try to do the exercises by yourself. Take care of yourself.